Hello, friends. I've been doing some experiment in teleoperation with this nice, cute robot platform, Xgo Lite. I have installed the Norma Core Station, and everything is published. So this thing can be controlled from the UI, from this Norma Core Station, as you can see here. So if I'm going to move, um, let's say, rest position, yeah, and let's say if I want to squat, lie down, yeah, so this works. And then I want to use the robot arm here. Wait, let's put this in perspective. Oh, sorry. Ah, yeah, don't move. That's what's happening when I connect two robots together. And this is the layer robot arm from Norma Core, which is also running a stack. Um, you can see this here. And well, the idea is to now control, copy some of the motions of these on the other one. So let me restart my software, which is also published on the GitHub. You can see it. So maybe I'm going to, just for demonstration purposes, I'm going to put it like this. And well, my arm is here. I need like 4 cameras. I don't know what's the best way to show this. Uh, but let me set it up this way maybe, and I'm going to start this. So it's going to a sort of what I call a rest position now. Okay, let's reset. Good. Let's put some cubes, and I'm going to now control my arm. Okay, and so essentially I can use keyboard and mouse, but my remote arm. So I'm going to open the grip. Sorry, close the gripper now. This seems to be working, and I'm going to reopen it. So let's say I want to pick. I don't know. I have something else here. This is probably too heavy. Where is my other cube gone? I had 2 cubes, and now I have none. Oh, here we go. So I can do a lot of kinematic control for now. It's just like trying to mirror the motion. So I have the, this joint here, which is the kind of, I don't know, I guess you call the shoulder. So I map that to one of the motors of the other robot. So as I move it up, let's move it up. Maybe you can see. Where's my other camera? I need a filming tool. So yeah, I'm lifting my arm up or down, and then I can, let's see if I can pick the blue one. Now the problem is I couldn't find a way to use the actual arm, so I'm going to use my keyboard and just move it forward. Okay, so okay, rotate it a little bit. Yeah. Okay, so now it's my prime time. I'm going to move my arm and no. Move it a little bit forward. Okay. It's definitely going to fall down. So let's rotate a little bit. I think I can. Forward, yes. Come on, guy, and let's load it up. Yeah. How do I lose my? I just want it a little bit. Yeah. Okay. And I got a cube now. Can I lift it? Let's see. Yes. Okay. There we go. The cube. I'm moving the cube. It's amazing. I have no force feedback, of course, so I don't know how hard is squeezing that. But it does work. It's a very simple mapping that essentially mirrors some of the motions, the position of the servos of that to that. But yeah, this is possible. Okay, I'm lifting it. Oh crap! Ha! The arm fell off. Oh, but literally arm fell off. But it still works. This is a great. This is a great stress test. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed, and all the code is online. And yeah, say goodbye to this little dog. See you in my next episode. Let's drop this cube. Boom. Yeah, boom.